While manual toothbrushes are common and used nearly by everyone, something that not a lot of people use are electric toothbrushes. Welcome to Honest Straightforward Reviews, where I provide you reviews which are solely funded by myself. In this manner, I eliminate any bias that might be caused by getting products that are funded by a sponsor. The main benefit of using a manual brush is it's cheap and it comes in many varieties. It also gives the user a sense of control over the brushing progress. Another factor is that normal brushes are great for traveling. They don't require a charger, they don't require to be charged, they're small in the form factor, so they're easy to carry and pack and things like that and take them around. The main reason the electric toothbrush is far superior for cleaning your teeth is because of its rotation. When it rotates, it brushes and polishes your teeth at a phenomenal rate. This power is fast and helps to loosen plaque. They have variable speed that can be useful in cleaning different areas of the mouth, such as the gums, tongue, and of course the teeth. Most of them come with a warning light that comes on to alert the user if too much pressure is being applied, and also a built-in timer to brush for at least 2 minutes and giving guidance about where you need to brush. These benefit everyone, especially benefiting people with arthritis and other limiting problems. Children who might be reluctant to brush their teeth due to tedious nature of brushing, the electric toothbrush might be fun for them to use. The electric toothbrush that I would recommend using and starting off with is the Oral-B Pro 500. You might be able to get it really cheap at the moment. The reason I recommend this is because it has a lot of feature and the features that I've already discussed. It also comes with a wireless waterproof charger, a separate timer and Bluetooth, so it may be paired with your phone to get a better understanding of your brushing habit. You can start feeling the improvement even after using the electric toothbrush just first time. After using the electric toothbrush in the correct method, you can feel your teeth with your tongue and you will no longer feel a fuzziness to your teeth, which you get after brushing with a normal manual toothbrush. The only downside to the electric toothbrush can be it's a little bit expensive to start, as it's quite expensive to buy, but once you've purchased the brush, you just need to change the brush head once every 3 months, which aren't that expensive. Okay guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you found it informative. Please let me know in the comments what you thought about them. Okay guys, thanks for watching that video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you aren't subscribed, please do subscribe, give it a like and follow us on Patreon as well and support us to see more content. Thank you. Bye.